Hello friends, I am Dr. Sneha, a neuropsychiatrist and an ISTDB counselor since 10 years. These days we are listening, we are seeing, we are observing increased work pressure or mental health getting deteriorated at workplace. This day, 10th October, World Mental Health Day, the Federation has kept the theme, especially according to our era, our necessity, which is prioritizing mental health at workplace. Now, why it has become an urgent necessity than a peripheral concern? Because at workplace we spend around 12 to 14 hours of our day and maximum of our life. So it's needed to be important to look after the mental health and a good mental healthy environment at a workplace. Now, what are the faulty patterns that we usually see at a workplace? These are problems include usually at the workplace are faulty work schedules, working on weekends, late night, early morning. टाइम तो होना चाहिए वर्क का. दूसरा, टेकिंग मेंटल हेल्थ फॉर ग्रांटेड. काम कर लेंगे. वर्क अंडर प्रेशर, दिस इज टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड, आई टेल यू. थर्ड इज अनरियल एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द एम्प्लॉइज. अरे ये टारगेट कंप्लीट नहीं किया, अरे ये नहीं किया, ये किया, अभी और करो, ये बेंच पॉइंट सेट किया ना, इसके ऊपर और जाओ. एंड लेस breaks in between. These are usually the faulty things seen which deteriorate the mental health. Now I tell you the easy solutions to that. The corporate people, are you listening? I hope. So do look after these solutions if you can apply them. First, introduce more laughter sessions at least 15 minutes a day. Ha 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 wala therapy. That should be compulsion. 2. Essential breaks. No employee should work for continuously more than 3 hours without any break. Third, give cookie points and promotion based on the lifestyle. If no alcohol, no smoking, cookie points, and then take that list for promotion. Fourth, more introduction of flash mobs. Fifth is free mental health checkups or affordable treatment for mental illnesses for employees at the workplace. So for that, do join or collaborate with a psychiatrist or a mental health expert, a psychologist, and do look after these things. Then sixth is, if possible, introduce the breakfast sessions, a venue for breakfast sessions every day at or amidst nature, like over the terrace or where the shelter, where the canteen is not sheltered, at least for breakfast, so that vitamin D is very important, which we are not looking after. AC में ही कैबिन में बैठे रहते हैं, AC में ही जाते हैं आते हैं, विटामिन डी मिलता नहीं है. ब्रेन को भी important है विटामिन डी. That helps to recover and prevent dementia. And sixth, जियो और जीने दो. ना खुद ज्यादा प्रेशर में आओ ना उनको ज्यादा प्रेशर में आने दो. पैसा यहीं रह जाएगा, इंसान चला जाएगा. सो बेटर लुक आफ्टर दिस सॉल्यूशंस एंड आई होप यू विल लुक आफ्टर द मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ ईच अदर. So look after each other, whether someone is suffering from mental illness, if he or she is taking proper treatment or not. Emotional support बढ़ा दीजिए. So I hope on this mental health day I have tell you the things which we can apply and that will enhance the mental health at workplace.